What's up, Copy Squad?
What's up, Copy Squad?
What's up, Copy Squad?
What's up, Copy Squad?
What is up, Copy Squad? It's your boy, Kyle Milligan, coming to you with a special announcement, a surprise. We crossed the 1,000 subscribers mark, and for that, I am actually really stoked. I remember watching this channel basically trickle up to like 32 subscribers, just one at a time. Every day, I'd get like one subscriber every other day, and I remember texting my friends, like, oh my god, there's 32 people who have signed up to watch me break down sales letters for 2 hours. It was mind-blowing to me, and it's cool to watch it have grown like it has, so I want to say thank you because, over time we've created something pretty awesome. We've engaged in lives. We've made over like 150 videos, and a lot of those have been like live feeds where I'm just like talking to you guys and sharing info. And then from the sales letter breakdowns, I dug out the principles new, easy, safe, and big, and created Take Their Money, which has been a awesome experience. Like just writing that book, getting it out there, and the feedback, like it's actually contributing to the conversation of the greater conversation of copywriting, and that's awesome. And it's not just for beginners. It's not just for the beginner copywriters who are trying to learn. There are people like Alex Becker shouted out the book and said this helped me make more money on my webinar. And Alex Becker is the big dropshipping guru. It's not small potatoes, man. That's incredible. And now, we've got Copy Squad Inner Circle, dozens of people. It's a community submitting copy, getting feedback and critiques, and just improving their game in different niches: rock and roll, plumbing, financial copy, pickup. It's everybody, and I just couldn't be prouder or more grateful for your support on this. And it really just started with me wanting to make sure that I was doing what I had to do to be successful as a copywriter personally, and that was break down sales letters and keep on my grind steadily. Like, I didn't set out to be a guru. I didn't set out to be like a personality. This was like a accountability practice where I was like, okay, if I have to do a video, then I'll do more sales letter breakdowns, and I'll stay on my game so I could be a better copywriter. And it almost begrudgingly kept growing, and it was one of those things like, I'm gonna have to keep doing this if it keeps growing. And it's really just been a fantastic learning experience. It's totally opened my eyes to things that I had always looked at from the outside, like YouTube, managing the channel. It's just been like a huge learning experience, and I appreciate all of you who have been with me for a long time, the big supporters, just everyone with all the positive energy and feedback. It means a lot. I do appreciate all of you very much. Thanks so much for your support. Thanks for buying the book, buying the products, joining the Copy Squad Inner Circle, everything you've done to keep us going. It's just been amazing. So, cheers to 1,000, and hopefully here's to thousands and thousands more. Peace out, Copy Squad. Peace out, Copy Squad. Peace out, Copy Squad. Peace out, Copy Squad. Thanks so much, Copy Squad.